Welcome students of class 8 to your online classes. In previous video we had discussed about the basics of the chapter. We had discussed all formulae of several shapes like cube, cuboid and cylinder. In order to go further, today I am going to start exercise 6.1 question number 1. Complete the following table using formula for a cube. Side is given. It means for cube the side is edge, which is A. A is given. What is the formula of volume? A cube. Find it in the rough notebook and put the value of here. TSA. What is the formula of TSA? What is the formula of TSA? The formula of volume is A cube. It is a rough work. Do not write like this. 6A, 6A square and LSA. Lateral surface area is 4A square. In previous video, I had told you how to remember these formulae without cramping anything. Just learn by the trick. Same method we follow in question number 1. Okay, let me do one question in rough notebook for your reference, for the reference as the help. Okay, A part volume equal to A cube. What is the value of A? Write like this. A part given. What is given? Edge or side, we can say 9.5. No, not a unit. Not unit is mentioned in the question, so write as units. Write as it is. In final answer, write units, only units, because you don't know whether it is meter or centimeter. So write generally units. A cube means 9.5 units. Cube 9.5 multiply 9.5 multiply 9.5, multiply these two terms. Final answer should be in unit cube or cubic units, we can say. Similarly, TSA, LSA, very simple formula are there. Question number 2. Here is cuboid, same work. LBH, the formula of volume LBH. What is the value of TSA? 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. What is the formula of LSA? Lateral surface area, 2L plus B into H. Similarly, question number 1 and 2 is completed as well. Now move to the question number 3. From this question I am just going to teach you, I am just going to help you out. Surface area of cube 2568 square meter, calculated side. This is the important question. Okay, now I am just doing this question in well and in good presentation. I hope you understand it. Okay, question number 3. Surface area of cube is 2568 square meter. Surface area of cube is equal to 2568 square meter. Area is always in the square, volume is always in the cube, and meter perimeter is always in the meter, in single unit. Surface area. In this question he is simply asking calculated side. What is the side? Side means edge. I am just considering, let A be the edge or side, you can say side of cube. In the question he is saying the side, so you can write it side. Simply you can write it side. According to question, what is given in the question? Given is surface area. I am writing again this line, surface area of cube. What is this? 2568. What is the formula of surface area of cube? When it is talking about surface area, it means complete area he is talking about. If he is talk about lateral surface area, then he have to mention the word lateral, but it is not mentioned lateral here, so we can consider surface area means total surface area. What is the formula of total surface area? 6a square and 2568 as it is. What is the value of a square? 2568 divided by 6. Divide this by 6. 6 for the 24, 1 6, 6 to the 12, 4 8, 4 8, 6 8 the 48. A square is equal to 48 and it become root here. Let me check once again. 6 for the 24, 1 6, 6 to the 18, 48, 8 6 the 8 6 the 48, right? 4 to 8. Now I have to factorize it like this: 2 2 1 4 2 1 0 7. Let me check the answer in the answer sheet. Okay, 4 to 8. Now 107, I think it is a uh, 4 2 2 1 4 1 4 to 1 4 1 0 7. From which number it is divisible? 107 is divisible by, actually it is not divisible by a number, it is a prime number. So I can write like this only: 2 into 2 into 107. 2 are in pair, take it out 2 from root. This is the answer. And look at this question: 2 is in whole number, I am getting 2 as it is. 108. Now use, if you know the method of finding the square root, then you can apply it, but many of you doesn't know, I am sure. So apply a simple trick which is 99% effective. What is that trick? 100, if it is mentioned 100 here, then 100 is a square root of 10, and it is 121, then it is square of 11. So it is between 10 and 11. To take it 10.4, 10.4 or 10.3, doesn't matter. Final answer is in the approx 20.3 meter approx. If you know the method which I already told you in the starting chapters, cube and cube root, square and square roots, in square and square roots most probably, so you can do that method, you can use that method to finding out the accurate answer. If you don't know, then you apply the simple trick and get the answer. Okay, so question number 3 is completed. Now move toward the next question. What is the next question? Next question is external dimension of wooden cuboidal box. External dimension of wooden cuboidal box: this length is this, breadth is this, and height is this. If the thickness of the wood is 18 meter all around, thickness is 2.8 meter all around, find the volume of the wood contained in the box. Means it is the external, so 2.8 lies inside it, 2.8 lies inside it, right? External dimension are given, length, breadth and height of the box are given, and thickness is also given. Find the volume of the wood. We have to find the volume of the wood. How can you find the volume? Very simple: external volume minus internal volume. What is the external volume? External volume is the volume of box. What is the internal volume? Internal volume is the inside the box, which is air. If it is empty, then we can say that the internal means the inside of air, volume of air. So what is the volume of wood? It is very simple: external volume minus internal volume. Let we get this by an interesting example. Let me look at this. This is a pouch, this is a mic pouch. This is, if the external dimension is given and the thickness is also given, how can they find the volume of this stuff? External volume minus internal volume, which is air, then we can get the volume of this stuff. This is the only concept behind this question also. So external dimension of the wood, length, breadth, height is given. In order to find the internal volume of the wood, we have to find the length, breadth and height of the wood also. Length, breadth and height of internal dimension, like internal, or we can say internal length, internal breadth, internal height of the wood. What is the internal length? 25 centimeter minus 2.8 minus 2.8, because both we have to subtract 2.8 from the both end. So new length, internal length is 25 minus 2 into 2.8. Internal breadth is 20 minus 2 into 2.8. Internal height is 12 minus 2 into 2.8. Get it? So let's do this question on notebook. Very simple. length. It is not length, it is external length. External length of box, which is capital L. External breadth of box, which is capital B. External height of box, which is capital H. What is L? 25, 20, 12. 25, 20, 12. Thickness. Thickness is 3, not 3 actually, 2.8 centimeter. 2.8 centimeter. From both sides, the thickness should be subtracted. So, internal length. What is internal length? Small l. It is understood. Internal length of the box, it is understood. No need to write again and again box, the word box here. Length L minus 2 into thickness. 25 minus 2 into 2.8. 25 minus 5.6. Get the answer and write there. This is your homework. Internal breadth B, 20 minus 2 into 2.8. 20 minus 5.6. Subtract and write the answer here. Similarly, internal height H, 12 minus 2 into 2.8. 12 minus 5.6. Subtract and write the answer in centimeter. Now you have length, breadth, height, external and internal length, breadth, height. You have to find the volume of wood. Very simple. Therefore, volume of wood. Very simple. External volume minus internal volume. What is external volume? L into B into H. The word external is here, so we use length, breadth, height of external. And word internal is here, so we use L into B into H of internal here. What is the formula of cuboidal box? L into B into H. Substitute the value of L into B into H here and solve it. Substitute the value of L into B into H here. L, B, H are given in the question, which is 25, 20, 12. 25, 20, 12. And LBH you find in the previous previous page. Mention it, find it, and the final answer should be in the meter cube. Get it? So the question is very good. Do this question, and your homework is learn all the formulae which I told you in previous video very deeply, and learn it very carefully also. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.